you change it to 99999. I'm not speaking German. Ich kann das auch. Hello everyone, it's GameJacker from HackerBot.net, and today we're going to be talking about money cheats in your favorite video games, the holy grail of all game jacks, as I like to call them. So, what are they? How to use them? Where do you get them? Let's get started. The most important thing about the money cheaterinos is that these days 99% of them are fake. So beware of these when you see them anywhere on the Googles. Free spins, unlimited monies, unlimited coins, unlimited everything. It's usually fake in most cases. Not all cases. We're gonna look at that right now, okay? So here is the rules. If your game requires the internet to work, then most likely money cheats will be impossible. So if you disconnect your Wi-Fi, disconnect your data, you take out the LAN cable and the game still works, then you can use tools such as Game Guardian, Cheat Engine, mods, mod menus to get unlimited money jacks in that particular game. However, if your game does require the internet to work, then chances are at least the most important currency, like the gems or whatever they're called, rubies, blah blah blah, they're not gonna be jackable, okay? It's not gonna work. Because, let's just get into this real quick, because there are such things as online servers. So they're computers somewhere far away that you connect to through the internet, and they actually keep track of your gems. You cannot modify these servers. Yes, technically it's possible. Yes, you could modify the servers. Yes, that would be highly illegal. And if you could do that, you would have better stuff to do. Probably being paid billions by the Russian government to do stuff. And then you could just buy gems with your trillions of rubles that you get every hour. So, yeah, basically you would have other kinds of money cheats available at that point. You could just, swipe the credit card. Anyways, guys, so for all practical purposes, not possible, okay? If you want to know more about these generators and stuff, go to HackerBot.net. Just Google game hacks, or HackerBot. Go to HackerBot.net. Go to Learn Cheating, and you'll find our article on game generators and why exactly they're all fake. Just TLDR, never ever in the history of game cheating ever has a cheat been where you just go online and press a button on a website and stuff happens on your device in your game. That's not how it works. A legitimate cheat will always be a download, which doesn't mean that all the downloads are real, just like you see in these search results, where all the downloads are not real as well. So, TLDR, if you wanna find legitimate cheats, like the one I'm using right here, this is a game, it's called Gunfire Girls. I just downloaded a mod and installed it on my Android emulator, and basically what is the case in this game is that part of it is processed on your device, your client, and part of it is processed by the server, as we have gone over. And the part that is processed by the server is the gems. I cannot hackerino the gems, but I can hackerino the monies. So basically, that is how it works. So this is one of those rare games where it's half processed by the server, partially processed by the server, partially by your device. The way you can get money cheats to work in these games is either you use a mod, like I'm doing right here. If you want to find legitimate mods, by the way, go to HackerBot.net by googling HackerBot. Go to Find Free Cheats or Download Cheats. You will get a guide on how to use our Hack Finder tool. Go to our Hack Finder tool. Just enter the name of your game, like PUBG Mobile 17.0, and you will find mods from legitimate providers that have a proven track record of delivering legitimate and working cheats that do not get you banned. Usually, if you download the right version, make sure to download the right version. If you don't know how, underneath the tool there will be a guide on how to check the game version if you're on mobile, especially. Very, very important, okay? So, or you can use tools. If you go to HackerBot.net, if you go to software, you can find the top game cheating software for Android, iOS, PC. For Android, it's Game Guardian, which I very much recommend. iOS. Game Gem is the best one, besides mods, of course, and iGame Guardian once it comes out. And on PC, the undefeated superhero of cheat tools is, of course, Cheat Engine. I assume everybody has heard about that one. They can be used to manually scan for values in your game. Like, let's say your money is 3,000. You scan for 3,000. You change the value in game. You spend some money. You make some money. You scan for the new value. You find the right memory value in your game, and you change it to 999999999. And I'm not speaking German, although ich kann das auch. Yes, okay. Anyways, so that is how it works. The way actual money hacks work is it's always a download is involved, unless you're using tools, and even then you need to download something. It's never an online website. They are all scams, okay? This is the rule. Online games, usually not possible. Offline games, always possible. In offline games, it's possible to cheaterino everything. Your health, your money, your gems, your skill points, your mana, your everything, okay? Everything. Anyways. So that is the reality of money cheaterinos. Head over to hackerbot.net, Google Hackerbot. Go to our Learn Cheating section if you want to learn the basics. Of course, I can't go over all the basics every single video. If you go to Game Hacks on our Learn Game Cheating section on our wiki, then you will find the video that is the ultimate guide on game hackerinos or game jackerinos, and you will be able to learn everything. I'm doing all the videos for these, so you simply have to watch, and you don't have to read boring articles, or you can just have your butler read the article for you and explain to you the concepts involved. Anyways, guys, this is it for money cheaterinos. Please don't get scammed. Stay safe. Don't download the weird mods you'll find on Google, please. And if you do, use an emulator, use protection, okay, kids? You're gonna do it, so please use an emulator, okay? So you don't get don't get malware. Anyways, or whatever. Doesn't matter. Dumb references. Anyways, guys, that is for me. Please have fun in your games. That's the most important thing. And if a money cheat is not possible in your game, that's just the way it is. Go to your job, make a lot of money, spend the money on the gems. That's just how the world works these days. There is not much you can do. Or you could just make your own game and give yourself in your own game 3 trillion gems. Think about that. Anyways, guys, that's about it for me. I'm Game Tracker. If you liked the video, if you've learned anything, give the video a like. Subscribe for more content just like this, and I'm signing out. Check her out.